Alright, so today I'm gonna talk about farming karma on Reddit. And honestly, this is one of those things that seems basic, but most people do it completely wrong. And then their accounts get banned before they even post. So in this video, I'm gonna go through how I set accounts up first, then how I actually farm the karma, and then I'll show you where the full SOPs are. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. So first things first, account setup. Now most people skip this part. They just create an account and start commenting. And then they get banned in 2 days. And they don't even know why. The thing is, Reddit has a really strict ban structure. If you have one account banned on your home Wi-Fi, your IP is basically done. Any new account on that same IP will get banned fast. That's why you need clean IPs. And that's the reason we use mobile data instead of Wi-Fi. You need to separate your accounts properly. And also, the way you create the account matters too. Some email providers give you a lower trust score than others. For example, Gmail ranks higher than Outlook because it's harder to create a Gmail account than an Outlook account. All of this stuff matters before you even make your first comment. And if you get it wrong, any of these steps, nothing else works. Now, why karma matters? Some subreddits require you to post. Like, for example, you need 100 post karma or 100 comment karma to post or comment in a specific subreddit. But even beyond that, karma affects your account's trust score, which is that CQS thing on Reddit. Higher karma means higher trust. Higher trust means your posts don't get flagged as spam. It's all connected. Now, comment karma. Basically, you find posts that are new but are about to blow up, you write replies people agree with, or you piggyback from the top comments. Yeah, in fact, let me just show you how I do comment karma. So first of all, let's go on Reddit. Now you can go on your feed, right? On your Reddit home feed, or in a specific subreddit like ITA or TFU. In this scenario, I'm using this subreddit, right? You can go on your home feed instead. It doesn't matter. Now, how do I do comment karma? So first things first, I don't just go into random posts and comment. When it comes to getting comment karma, there's a way to do it so you actually get upvotes. So first thing I look for is posts that are new, like 2 hours old max. Because if you comment on something that's already 10 hours old, nobody's gonna see it no matter how good your comment is. So we sort by new, and then we scroll. For example, this post is almost 1 hour old. Or this one, it already has 100 comments. Now we're looking for a post that we can write a quick reply to. Something people will agree with. That's the key. You want comments that a lot of people will nod their head to and then upvote. That's how you farm comment karma fast. So you find a post, you go into the comments, you see the top comments, right? And you write an opinion similar to those. But there's also a second method when it comes to getting comment karma. You can go into a post that is a bit older but has gone viral. For example, we can go into top and by today, for example this one, and we reply to the top comment, right? So we go here, you sort by top, and as you can see, now this is the comment that first shows up when someone opens this post, right? So that means the top comment already has visibility. So your reply to that comment gets seen too. And if it's a good reply and people agree with it, they will upvote it. So you just piggyback off what's already working. Now, how to get post karma? For post karma, I keep it really simple. I don't really overthink it. I go on Instagram and find animal content that already performed well. Cute stuff, funny stuff. You know, those cat videos. Download it and then post it in matching animal subreddits. Because if it worked on Instagram, it'll probably work on Reddit too. But you have to post it in subreddits that actually have reach. If the subreddit's dead, your post gets no views, no upvotes, thus no karma. So the subreddit choice matters just as much as the content. And also, don't spam. Don't do like 15 posts in one day. Pace it out. 1 or 2 a day while you're also doing comments. So yeah, as we said, when it comes to getting post karma, steal content that already performed elsewhere, post in matching subreddits with reach, don't spam. So yeah, what I just explained was the basic method. But the real game is having the right subreddits to farm in, knowing the exact schedule, when to post, when to comment, how often, having SOPs so your VAs can farm a calm by just following the steps. That's what separates the guys who have lots of Reddit accounts, karma farmed, ready to post, from guys who keep getting banned and restarting. And that's what the members in my private group get. Inside my group, I give my guys the full karma farming SOPs, the ones I actually use in my agency. I give them the Reddit master list with 2,500 plus subreddits, fully filterable, so they know exactly where to post, and they get access to my private community with over 120 members, all running the same strategies and sharing what's working, so you're not figuring it out alone. So if you want the actual SOPs and the master list and access to a community of people running the same stuff, message me the word Reddit on Telegram. Link is in the description. And yeah, it's not free. This is everything I use in my agency. So if you're serious, hit me up. Message me the word Reddit and I'll get you in. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.